Hi everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you change language on Wise. So firstly, log into your Wise account. So once you've logged in to your Wise account, all you have to do is once you're on your dashboard, so click on your name. So on your right there, you'll see your name. So click on it. So once you click on it here, you'll see an option called settings. Click on settings. So once you click on settings here, if you scroll, you will see an option called language settings. So all you have to do now is click on language settings, and here you will see your default language. So what you can do here is you just have to choose the language that you wish to change, and once you have selected that language, and you just have to click on save. So once you hit save, then then the language will be changed. So that's pretty much it is. It's pretty straightforward. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.